Здравствуйте, уважаемые дамы и господа. Очень рад снова представить вам Роберта Смолера, замечательного адвоката. I'm very glad that you, Robert Smoler, by the way, is our guest again, the brilliant attorney who deals with personal injuries, medical malpractice, all kinds of accidents, workers' comp, and slip and falls, and nursing home neglects. I'm answering to your letters, my friends, a topic that unfortunately is becoming more and more relevant for you. Like I said before, there are many lawyers who do all this, but there are very few like Mr. Smoler. Good morning.
Good morning, Alex. Thanks for having me.
I have to tell my audience that injuries and accidents, because you know that on the road or at work, due to use insufficiently safe equipment or human error, occur daily. Victims are either temporarily or permanently disabled, losing the opportunity to earn the living, to provide to their families. In such cases, you guys should not be shy, silent, and with the help of the experienced lawyer like Robert, you must defend your own rights until the maximum material compensation, means money, for damage the body of yours is received. Robert is what you need. I know dozens of people he has helped. Tell us, please, about the specific cases, without names, of course, with your clients, what compensation you have achieved for them.
So, Alex, everyone can visit our website at smolerlaw.com, and we have on there all the cases that we've recently settled, and we have testimonials from our clients for a list of those cases. But we handle all accident injuries. So the slip and fall in the grocery store, the rear-ender car accident at the red light, any type of job accident where someone would get hurt on the job. So we've recently resolved the claims for medical malpractice, where there's been a mistake made during the surgery and the person has suffered greatly. And we've been able to recover from the hospital and the surgeon for that case. We have recently recovered for several back injuries that have happened on the job, severe back injuries with surgery, with spinal cord stimulator implants. We have recently settled cases for motor vehicle accidents, car accidents, where people have been rear-ended, where they've been hit from the side, hit on the highway, and have had treatment and injuries. The most important thing, I will always tell everyone out there that you must immediately contact us, get us on your side so that we can handle the case from the very beginning. That is the most important thing. We need to make sure that you get the right treatment, the proper treatment, and the immediate treatment.
That's thank you very much for that. Compensation, of course, will not return the lost part of your health, but it will provide the opportunity to provide for the life for the victim and his family. So please, I'm asking you, my audience, don't withdraw into yourself and call Robert Smoler. He will definitely help. We announced, Robert, we announced this interview in advance, and among the questions that came, there was also a curious one. I got COVID right now, but it's not me. I have never met this question before. Is it possible to sue the person who knew that he was sick with COVID, but came to someone's birthday, let's say, and infected other people, and the elderly person is actually, I would not say dying now, hopefully, but in very serious condition? Is it possible, or it's hard to do that?
That would be a case that we would have to analyze on a case-by-case basis. We would have to talk to the client, find out what the specific facts were, and how that occurred in order to give that person a proper answer. But the general answer is no.
That's something new, right? We never had it before.
Well, there are cases where someone might transmit a disease to interpersonally, and they might be liable for that. It would depend specifically on the circumstances, the person's understanding of them having the disease, and what their intention was when they did it as well. So that is not something we're seeing a lot of. It's just as, if you get a cold, you can't sue someone for getting a cold. You normally can't sue someone for getting a disease unless there's some specific facts surrounding it that rise to the level of a tort, which is what it's called, a tort, T-O-R-T, or a personal injury that someone gave to you either intentionally or negligently.
Thank you very much. I hope the person who asked me that now got the answer. Thank you very much, Robert. I hope to see you again pretty much soon, and good luck to you. Вам, уважаемые господа, еще раз советую обратиться к Роберту Смолеру в случае, если с вами произошло что-то экстраординарное. Всего вам доброго, большое спасибо. Thank you, Robert.
Again, thanks for having us.